Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Pha ban is a special cake that is part of a Hakka tradition. These pha ban are from rice flour, and as they are steamed, they crack open like the petals of a flower. The more cracks there are on the pha ban mean the year will be filled with fortune and good luck. Over the new year, people make pha ban and look forward to good luck for the next year.
Hey, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello, 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. Once again, talking about food and places to go for next month's Tongue Flower Blossom. So speaking of food, let me just review some of the things I know about the Hakka culture, all right?
冇問題啊。
比如說客家小炒，
客家炒肉，
對，這個冬瓜風，激醬，這個菜包，還有什麼呢？我有漏掉什麼嗎？還有什麼東西？
其實客家東西很多很多。不過有一種東西可能我們好像沒有介紹過。
OK，
那就是發辦。
真的沒介紹，這是什麼東西？
就是發糕。
哦，是發糕啊？
對，
花粿那樣子。
發糕就是我們的食物嘛，尤其是在這個掃墓的時候，供給阿公婆，就是我們的祖先。
I see。
那我們是用米去做的。
Oh, so it's one of those steamed rice cakes. It's actually a dessert, and the Hakka use it especially during tomb sweeping time, and they pay respect to their ancestors, and they will cook this up and bring it over to the tomb. So, Leo, could you repeat that again? How do you say that? It's
發辦。而且它有一個很重要的意義，就是它如果越發就代表了這一年未來的運勢，運勢會當好，就是運氣會很好，會很發。所以我們都要把它真的整個都裂開，這樣子才是最漂亮。
Oh, I see. So they bake the sweet cake and let it rise until it's very fluffy, and the fluffier it is, it signifies the better luck you're going to have that year. 也就是越開越發的意思。
是啊。
Well, with that said, it's time to leave food alone and let's go out to the outdoors and exercise a little bit because it's Tongue Flower Blossom next month. 既然住在台北，介紹一些在台北可以賞桐花的地方好了。
台北太多了，
也太多了。
對啊，因為像什麼土城啊、兔賞啊。
Oh, really?
也有那個桐花步道。
Okay, in Tuchen, that's in Taipei County. There's a 桐花 path over there.
還有像木柵、
山區裡面嘛。
對，都是在山區。
Okay, so even Muzha, that's within Taipei city limits, and you can go ahead and enjoy the Tongue Flower Blossom around northern Taiwan here. That's perfect. And I guess that's all the time we have for today's Talk About Hakka.
是我們大家
俺自say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.